thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about personal videos on your website. It's very critical that you do this, and do this in a way that is professional and a way that will be becoming and representative of you and your company and what you do. The very first thing, if you're fortunate enough to get a client to click on your website, is to capture that interest and make sure that they understand exactly what you do and what you can do for them. In order to do that, I think it's important to have that personal website set up with that personal video to click on. Last no more than maybe even 30 seconds. But to make that happen for you, you have to have a good professional video done. And when you do that, call on Creative Results and let us help you get there. The cost is relatively inexpensive. The time investment is relatively small, but the impact is phenomenal on you, your client base, and your bottom line. Why don't you let Creative Results make that happen for you? Thank you. Come to Creative Results and let us help you with your needs.